So today I'm going to show you how to start learning on BS Academy. First of all, I'm going to show you how you can download the app on your Android phone. If you are using desktop, how you can access the website. If you are using iPhone and you cannot install the app, how you can use the system. So if you are using iPhone, you can still access the website bsacademy.us or bsacademyafrica.com on your browser, whether Chrome or Firefox. If you're using desktop, you can use it on Chrome. Chrome works the best. You can use it on Chrome by entering bsacademyafrica.com. If you are using Android, then you can download the app from Play Store. You can go to Play Store and then search for BS Academy. BS Academy is the first to show in the results. BS Academy is the first to show in the result. That is it. That's BS Academy. So just click on it. Then you install. You click on install, then you are good to go. So after installing, you open it. So the next procedure is the same on both Android and iPhone and smartphones. On Android desktop and iPhones. Yeah. So Android, you open the app. iPhones, you open your browser, and then desktop, you open your browser, and you go to bsacademyafrica.com, or you can even type, you press enter. You can also type bsacademy.us. It's very simple. bsacademy.us. It will still take you to the same website, bsacademyafrica.com. To still take you, whether you type bsacademy.us or bsacademyafrica.com, it will still take you to the same website. Yes. So the next procedure is to sign up. You have a lot of ways to sign up. You can scroll down and you see a registration form here. You can fill it. You can also click on affiliate dashboard. On the affiliate dashboard, you can see a registration form just below here. Login, you can see a form here. You can fill it. But the main registration I prefer is by clicking on the login button. Click on the login button, then you see the sign up option. Yes, that's the best option I prefer. So when you click on the sign up option, it will ask you to username, to enter username, your email, and choose a password. So your username, you will choose a name you will not forget. It can be a guy name, it can be a username they used to call you that you will not forget. It's in small letters. Then the email address, you enter your email address. If you don't have email address, you can go to Google or gmail.com and create an account. It's free. Creating an email account is free. It's very simple. Just go to Gmail and create a new account and use it. Sorry. Now your profile details, your name, you enter your full name, you enter your country, you select your country, you can select Ghana is here if you are from Nigeria, US. Your city, you enter your city and your phone number. Make sure you enter your correct phone number because you'll be added to the WhatsApp group where you can win recharge cards and smartphones and other things daily, weekly, and monthly. So enter correct phone number. Then your school, your class. If you are no longer in secondary school or junior, yes, you are no longer in secondary school. Maybe in university, you can type. Yes, you can type your universities. If you are not in school, you can select other. Just type other. Then a short note about you. Yeah. When you're done, you click I'm not a robot. It's bicycle. You select bicycle is not here, so you click skip. Traffic light. Then you verify. Sometimes you click it to not ask for this to just stick by itself. Sometimes it give you different challenges. Then they create complete sign ups. Once you click on the complete sign up, you receive an email on your phone asking you to confirm your account. So if you don't receive the email within the next 2 hours, don't worry yourself. The system will automatically activate your account for you and you can gain access. But if you receive the email, you can continue and activate it instantly. That's how it is. So once you've got your username and password, the next thing is to open the app. Open the app and then click on login to log in and start learning. So basically what we've learned is if you are using Android, you go to the Play Store and search BS Academy and install the app. If you have already installed the app, no problem. If you are using iPhone, you currently don't have the app on iTunes, you don't have it on the Play Store, so you have to access the system on your on your browser like Chrome or Firefox. You have to access there. And if you're using desktop, smartphone, laptop, desktop, you also access it in the browser by typing bsacademy.us or bsacademyafrica.com. That's it. Then the next thing to do is to click on the login, click on sign up, and fill the form and complete sign up and confirm your account. Once you are done, you now come here to log in. So the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enroll into courses and how you can start learning. Thank you.